Hi friends. So today I want to discuss with you about self awareness. Is self awareness good for us? So frankly speaking, I think in my view self awareness, constant self awareness is the only way in which we can learn to control our thoughts. Control, as in, there are probably more than 60,000 thoughts which we get in our mind daily. But control, as in, we can decide which thoughts to discard, which thoughts to just let them run, let them flow, and which are the thoughts on which we should focus upon and take actions. So, constant self awareness is like being an observer to your own thoughts, being very vigilant to what is coming in your mind every time. It can be a great thing because it is probably the only way in which you can develop your concentration further, and the mind is the most superior instrument which we have. So the mind can take us to the levels of super consciousness, success in life, if we make friends with it, if the thoughts in our mind we learn how to live with them and how to mold them according to our own desires and goals. Having said that, there are a lot of theories which feel that constant self awareness may lead to the person not being able to enjoy the situations in a better manner, not being very attentive to probably what the other person is speaking at that moment, or probably what is happening in his environment in that particular situation, which is a fair assessment because the person's locus of control is always internal in that state of mind. He is thinking about his own thoughts. So, practically speaking, it may not be possible for him to give his undivided attention to the situation or the other person. But a lot of great spiritual leaders also have said that self awareness is the only way, probably, in which you can gain a good amount of control over your mind. It is a very long process, it might take many years, it is a lifelong process, but it is the only way. So, in the end, I would like to conclude by saying that self awareness is very, very important all the time. Yeah, it may have a few shortcomings in the sense that the person in a particular situation might not be able to give his full attention or be attentive to what the other person is speaking. But in the long run, I feel a man's success in any field is mostly dependent on himself or herself only. So, for that particular reason, self awareness is paramount. Thank you.